Did you know that in 2019, Texas ranked among the top 5 states in the US for the most trademark applications filed? In the fast-paced business world, securing a trademark is more than just staking your claim. It's about safeguarding your brand's identity, its value, and its legacy. Before we go over the basics of trademark registration in Texas, please give this video a like. Press the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. You might be thinking, why register in Texas? Well, Texas boasts the second largest economy among all U.S. states. That's a significant pool of potential customers. Now, imagine the strength and protection a registered trademark can provide in such a bustling market. Yet, the trademark registration process can be complex and, let's face it, a bit overwhelming. There are countless forms, multiple phases, and potential oppositions to navigate. Miss a single detail and you might find yourself back at square one. This is where we step in. Welcome to legalregistration.com. Our expertise lies in handling these intricacies. We are dedicated to ensuring the process is smooth, efficient, and successful for all our clients. Around 60% of trademarks are initially refused by the United States Patent and Trademark Office due to various reasons. Our team knows how to avoid the common pitfalls, significantly increasing the chance of first-time approval. When you partner with us, you gain a trusted advocate that knows the ins and outs of Texas trademark registration. We can confidently say that we've assisted numerous businesses, both big and small, to navigate this process with ease. Remember, a trademark isn't just a symbol, word, or phrase. It's the reputation of your business and its promise to consumers. Let us be the bridge that connects your brand to the protection it deserves in Texas. To take care of all your trademark needs quicker, simply visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the process of trademark registration in the Lone Star State? Does it seem simple or complicated? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.